Hello everyone, here I am with one of the most requested review videos, and yes, finally it's here. Though I did happen to pick up both of these products when they were launched. So it's all about some new launches by the brand Just Herbs. So I happened to pick up their new Just Herbs mattifying and hydrating compact powder, as well as I could put on 10 shades of their newly launched Just Herb liquid lipstick. Now I did happen to grab the mini, so that is why I could grab like 10 shades. So you will be seeing a complete review as well as a swatch video on both of these products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Both of the products are interesting, and since it is a made in India product, made in India brand, I know you are excited about both the products. So we'll catch up with the lipstick a little later part of the video because I have to swatch like 10 shades. First up, we are going to touch up on the newly launched Just Herb mattifying and hydrating compact powder, which is enriched with starch and licorice root. It has SPF 15, as well as it is free from any kind of talc, paraben, and it does not have any kind of synthetic fragrance. This powder will give you pore minimizing appearance, as well as it is a non-drying vegan formula. This product is going to cost you 645 rupees, and you end up getting how much product? That I did not read, so maybe I will just mention it on the screen. Though let's just move on to the actual product. This is how the Just Herb compact powder would come. Very nice sturdy packaging it is. All the details would be mentioned right behind the pan as well. So they have mentioned quite a bit of data here. You really don't need the actual box. Now here you get the compact like this. You open it and you have a full-size mirror and the compact right there, and they give you a white sponge also, which I kept somewhere. So, and the sponge quality is definitely a good quality one. So if you want to carry that sponge in the pan, with the compact, you do so, because आपको brush की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. If the quality is really good. So for 645 rupees, a good packaging with everything inside is perfectly done. It is definitely a 10 on 10 packaging. Getting into the shade family, Just Herb is offering 6 shades. Now when I see these 6 shades compared to the newly powder I'm enjoying again by an Indian brand Kiro, I do feel Just Herb has done a better job in shade. Though they are also offering 6 shades here, but when you see all the 6 shades, they all have a very nice undertone. The last 2 shades will complement medium to dark, not medium also, dark and dark, tan, deep dark, ऐसे वाले shades. So you have a 2 shade for you. And the other 4 shades are well done for light to medium skin tone and medium to dark. Now, when you see all the 6 shades, the porcelain is the only shade which has a little cooler undertone. Otherwise, when I see all the other shades have a warmer undertone. Another one thing, if you're someone who has a very pale skin, you just pick up the porcelain shade. Otherwise, all the other shades will have a little warmer undertone. It may look a little yellow or orange on your skin. Or if, I don't know if Just Herb sell it in the stores or not, but that is the only shade which is made. I can see that a very pale skin person would like it. Otherwise, all the 6 shades are well done for Indian skin. Am I expecting more shades? Not exactly, because मुझे लगा कि ये 6 shade बहुत ही कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग है. तो अगर जैसे मैंने ये शेड लिया है, तो ये शेड एक NC45 भी यूज़ कर सकता है, NC42 भी यूज़ कर सकता है, NC41, NC40 भी यूज़ कर सकता है. So these 6 shades are not done specifically for a single skin tone. One powder can be enjoyed by multiple skin tones. Now let's move on to the application, and simultaneously I will share my experience with the product. So Just Herb compact powder is a lightweight mattifying and hydrating compact powder. Yes, it is lightweight, it is hydrating, and it is mattifying as well on the same point. Now when you do your foundation, you apply the powder, you do feel that सब कुछ set हो गया है. The best thing which I liked about this powder is that it says it is mattifying, and that was one of my major concern when I bought the powder. I saw the powder, I was like, is it going to enhance my textures? But no, it just sits beautifully onto the skin. It is super light, and for this scorching hot summer, the product has been done really well. Now it is a supercharged formula with precious Ayurvedic ingredients. You know, Just Herb is more of a skincare brand as well. So they try to incorporate skincare into their makeup, just like their liquid lipstick as well. So yes, you are getting a lot of skincare benefits as well. This compact powder sweeps away any excess oil and blurs the look of imperfection and give you more of a second skin. Yes, this is one thing which I've noticed with this powder as well, that it has a kind of blurring to it. Like when I see myself in the camera ka viewfinder, I do see there's like a nice softness going onto the skin, which this powder has given me definitely, and it just sits beautifully without making my skin look extremely matte and drying. So the formula is definitely rich, hydrating, as well as it just mattifies in a right way and takes away all the excess sebum or oil you have it onto your skin. It does not have any kind of parabens, it does not give you any kind of cakiness or dryness onto the skin, and when you put the powder, when you touch your face, you don't feel sticky onto the skin. Now ये makeup किए हुए मुझे 1.5-2 घंटे हो गए हैं and the makeup has still not budged. I did not have to go in with any kind of extra touch-ups with the powder because the powder has really held up my makeup well. Longevity on this powder, how long can you be like this? Straight up 5 to 6 hours you can just stay, like you really don't need a touch up. But if you are like me who has like an excessive oily skin in summer and you suffer from sweat and humidity onto your foreheads and neck, then you need to go in with a light touch up after 5 hours of application, even when you're wearing a mask onto your face. So yes, a formula is rich and given to you in a very affordable pricing. All in all, if I summarize it, it is a long wear light compact powder which is gonna give you a nice mattifying touch with a lot of hydration and lot of nourishment into it. All in all, a beautiful compact powder for Just Herbs. If you were eyeing this one, grab it. It is just for $6.45 and still today it is on some discount, so you will definitely get this powder for $500 or so. So yes, a beautiful product by Just Herbs. I am keen on trying more products, so let's see what Just Herb gets new for us next into some base powder products. Yes, fully approved. If you are interested, grab it, get it, you're gonna love it. One product added to your cart. Let's move on to another interesting launch happened by Just Herb. Is the Just Herb matte liquid lipstick. Now I happened to pick up the mini kits. I picked up 2 kits wherein I happened to get 10 shades. Now you get the full size lipstick as well, which will cost you 595 rupees each shade. Now they are offering you 15 beautiful shades and they have made these mini kits in these 15 shades. So this set has all browns and nudes. The other set I have is the deeps and reds, and there is another shade called pink and berries. So yes, beautiful kits. You get 10 stunning shades, or I would say 5 stunning shades in a kit, and you pay only $7.45. Though I would say when I happen to buy this set from Just Her website, I happen to pay only 535 rupees or so because that day they had a 20% off. So यहाँ पे और बचत हो गई. So technically अगर आपको वो 20% off मिल जाता है तो आप तीनों सेट ले सकते हो 2000 के अंदर एंड आपके पास सारे 15 शेड्स आ जाएंगे. Talking about the packaging on the lipsticks, the lipstick in the minis would come something like this. आपका big size lipstick भी कुछ ऐसा ही दिखता है. It's just that थोड़ा सा कैप में ही फर्क होगा. Apart from that, see-through packaging, shade इस पे भी mention किया हुआ है. You open the lipstick and you get a teardrop applicator. Again, very easy to fill in your lips, line your lips, and you have a perfect application. So yes, पैकेजिंग के तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ 10 और 10 मिलेंगे. टॉकिंग ऑन द शेड्स, दे ऑफर 15 शेड जिसमें कि 10 शेड्स मेरे पास हैं. उन 10 शेड्स में से देयर इज ओनली वन न्यूड शेड विच आई डू फील इट्स अ लिटिल मोर कूलर फॉर माई लाइकिंग. Apart from that, all 9 shades complement my skin because मैंने सारे पहन डाले हैं. I loved it so much that I had to try every single shade as well as the formula on the shades. Now talking about the quality, how the lipstick perform, let's get into it one by one. Talking about the formula, as they say, it is a matte liquid lipstick. It is a matte lipstick. Since I'm wearing it on my lips, I do feel that they are not a complete or dry down matte lipstick. Like when you do this, that वो एक वो है थोड़ा सा moisture, थोड़ा सा hydration है वहाँ पे. So it really doesn't crack your lips or doesn't make you feel that you're wearing a dry down matte lipstick. So comfortable formula है being a matte lipstick, as well as it is not crack your lips. It does not make you feel drying on the lips after 4 to 5 hours of application. Though one more thing which I have noticed with the formula is, being a matte lipstick, you can wear it straight for 8 to 9 hours and you will not feel that you're wearing a liquid lipstick which is into a matte formula. Pigmentation on all the shades are well done. Lighter shade ले लो, deeper shade ले लो, मीडियम स्टोन शेड ले लो, सारे शेड्स इक्वली वेल परफॉर्म करते हैं. अगर आपके पिगमेंटेड लिप्स हैं तो इट इज गोना कवर एवरी सिंगल थिंग. यू रियली डोंट हैव टू पेयर दीज लिप शेड्स विद एनी काइंड ऑफ लिप लाइनर to have that fuller application. Another one thing which I noticed with the pigmentation is that you do not need a lot of product. So एक बार आपने जो product लिया अपने applicator पे, that is more than enough to get this fuller application. Transfer proof. Does it transfer? I must tell you that it does not transfer at all. As in, अभी मैंने लगा लिया, मैंने एक गिलास पानी पिया तो ये कहीं भी ट्रांसफर नहीं होगी. बट अगर मैंने जैसे कि थोड़ा ऑयली फूड खाया या स्पून से खा रही हूँ तो थोड़ी बहुत लिपस्टिक स्पून वगैरह पे ट्रांसफर होती है, बट इट डज नॉट फेड अवे कम्प्लीटली. सो जब आप खाना वाना खा लोगे तो थोड़ा बहुत लिपस्टिक जाएगा, but you have to just go in with a simple touch up. Now touch up is one thing wherein some lipsticks आप existing पे touch up कर लो, हो जाता है. Liquid lipstick के साथ I always say remove the whole lipstick and then reapply. Be it be any kind of formula. If you need that nice clean application, then go in with a complete full application. Do not do like those touch ups, थोड़ा extra lipstick लगा के ऐसे लगा लिया. Don't do that with liquid lipsticks. With this one also I do feel remove the whole lipstick and do a retouch up. How long lasting these lipsticks are? They stay easily up to 8 hours. As I mentioned earlier also, if you are just roaming around having a nice juice, coffee, chai, तो लिपस्टिक आराम से रह जाएगी. You really don't have to go and check your lipstick. But if you're having a complete meal, then you have to go in with a retouch up on this lipstick. But otherwise, the longevity on these lipsticks are up to 8 hours. कम शब्दों में अगर मुझे इस लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में कहना हो तो आपको मिल जाते हैं यहाँ सिर्फ 15 नहीं 17 shades. I just happen to check again. You get 17 shades, beautiful shades, जहाँ आपको 12 से 15 shades तो पसंद आ ही जाएंगे. और अगर आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं 10-12 खरीदने का तो then might as well get into these minis. You will save a lot of money and you can enjoy a lot of shades. Summarizing it in formula wise, lightweight है, creamy matte वाला formula है, feather light feeling देता है आपको lips पे, fuller application, high on pigmentation, hydrating, nourishing and moisturizing lipsticks right in front of you. A beautiful launch by Just Herb. I absolutely love these beautiful shades as well as all the formulas onto my lips. What do you want? A beautiful formula in a beautiful affordable pricing, and there you have it from Just Herbs, and it is a made in India brand. It is not a sponsored video. I bought these products with my own money because the way I'm talking it may sound okay, is she selling these products to us? No, I happen to buy these products and I loved it so much that मुझे आपके साथ अपना experience share करना ही था. So there you know all about these two beautiful new launches done by Just Herbs. I must tell you, both of these products are well done for all weather, and summer is the weather where you can try this powder as well as enjoy this formula onto your lips with the mask on. Yes, both of these products are available on Just Herb as well as on nykaa. I happen to pick up both of these products on Just Herb website because वहाँ पे एक अच्छा discount चल रहा था. Though I will be leaving all the links in my description. If you are interested in buying any of the products, but I must tell you, grab both. You will come back and share your experience with me. I hope you loved watching this in-depth review on these two interesting products by Just Herbs. I know you want to get onto the swatches. But before you get onto the swatches, consider subscribing to my channel. Give a thumbs up if you really loved watching and follow me on my Instagram. I will be here soon with more such contents, more new launches, more reviews and more lipsticks. I hope you loved watching this interesting one. Now you head on to the swatches and I will see you in my next one.